I'm going to work a little bit more on my Creativation junk journal. And I've got just a few ideas of some things I'm going to put in it. So I'll show you what I'm thinking about. I went through my image binders where I just collect different images that I've cut out or found and, you know, want to keep. And I pulled some things out to use. And I don't have any particular theme or anything in mind. I just pulled out stuff that I wanted to use, and I really kind of looked for stuff that was big, because this is a nice full size, you know, 8.5 by 11-ish journal, and some of the ones I work in are quite a bit smaller, so they can't accommodate some of the larger images that I've collected. So that was really my only criteria, is pull out big stuff that spoke to me. So I pulled out some big stuff. Things I've had sitting around and haven't used and don't know what to do with. So, I mean, look at that. That's just awesome. But that is a big honking bird head. That's just not appropriate in every situation. So maybe I'll find a spot for it in here. Some of these still need to be trimmed up, but they're just kind of tall and just larger images that I wanted to use. And I also looked through some of my phrases and sayings and was able to match them up with some of the images I pulled. So I've got this weird elephant with this girl on top, and see how its little mouth is open? It's like it's saying, nay! Okay, yeah, I know, that's the wrong animal, but that's what makes it funny. So I like that. And then I cut out these big feet for something, I don't know. But then I found this, always put your best foot forward saying. So maybe I can do something with that. I have a couple of paper dolls that I haven't used because of their size. This is one of them. She's just always too big for what I need. So I pulled her out, and she's just, you know, she's got her modern model legs, and then her little scrapbook paper dress, and then her manly muscle arms, and then her little vintage face. So she's just sort of eclectic or schizophrenic, you know, either way I think will work. But I think style goes well with her, because she's definitely got her own style happening here. Maybe against her will, but that's okay. And then this is, I don't even know who. I think it's a model dressed to look like Marlene Dietrich. That's all I can gather. I don't think that's Marlene Dietrich. I don't remember her looking quite like that. But the whole outfit is something similar that I've seen her in. So that made me think of silent movies, and then this popped out, this something I cut out from whatever. It says silence speaks louder than words. So I thought I might use those two together. And I think this is the one I'm going to work on today. Because see, she's all like black and white. And then I have this one page in here, right here, that is a black and white ad. So I think I just want to put her on there. But she kind of gets lost in the busy background. So I thought, all right, I'll give me something to put on there. I didn't want to just put a whole piece of paper over it and cover up the black and white, because that was the whole point, you know. So I thought, ooh, a napkin. I found a napkin, and I put some Daddy Van's wax on it so that it would be completely transparent, like so. And I'm just going to kind of glue it down, decoupage it on there. And that will give a little bit better background for her to pop off of. And she won't get quite so lost. So let's do that. And I'm going to use Mod Podge. I have pretty good luck with Mod Podge and Daddy Vans. Oh no! I'm down to my last little bit and it looks dried out. Did it dry out? Oh, no. Alright, I'm going to make this work. This is a little bit a little bit stiff. Like it's not quite dried out, but it's close. Alrighty, now my napkin is dry, I believe, and you can see that looks kind of cool. I think it does anyway. Now I'm just going to stick my little girl on here like so, and I'm not going to Mod Podge her because it's already all Mod Podgy and she'll just wrinkle really bad. So I'm just going to use some Helmar craft glue and just do like this to glue her down. Okay, now I've got the little sentence here. I cut it up so that I could, you know, have more placement options. So let's see. I think I kind of like that. Yep, I do. So there we have it. A quick, fun page in my new journal that also helped me to use up some of my stash. So it was kind of a win-win. Alright, that's it for now. The end.